Someone Buffett. Today I just bump up video to the house, like, I understand. Lapha addressa khona uDanyo ukuthi hayi is a small boy, you understand. Wazakhuluma nokuthi he understood ukuthi Big Zulu wayo amdisa about ilento entanyeni, tattoo entanyeni yeBenz, you understand. Big Zulu like is a real rapper. And then uDanya like wavela msukela nje nge-sound and all those things, and he's a small boy, you understand. uDanya ingane yakhe yayibona into leyo.
Diamond, you guys are so cute. Oh my god. Which dye did you use? Fuck all that, man. It's gangster over here. Yeah. Loyalty over everything, man. Y'all listen to Simon Says. Simon said diss me, y'all went and diss me. So fuck it. Nakhona ngisonga nabo umrapper abaphilayo abo Big Zulu kanje. Why do you think me and Big Zulu made peace? Because he's a dope rapper. Those lines were dope. The fuck? Vele message sangnayo. Isentanyeni. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact. Nah. If a bitch ass nigga gon' come say, hey, we found the sound, someone is claiming to have found it. Bitch, you my kid. You are my kid. Ungashaya amathambla, we-Gold City. Wenzeni utweke. The fact will never change. The fuck? That got me fucked up. Iningi nenu ngicabanga ukuthi angizazi ngubani. Ngicabanga ukuthi angizazi ngubani. Abanye banokufika, hey man, do you remember the song Manando? No, I don't. I forgot. Who wrote that song? Oh, that nigga? Oh, shit. Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Got anything cool?
Oh,
Miro is looking for me. Yeah, that my big dog. What's up? But I don't do the... I'm a law-abiding citizen, man. I'm a law-abiding citizen.
so what I've realized ngibukele even vlog, I'm a big fan of uDanya, you understand, and I'm a big supporter of Hustler, you understand. Both of them, I love them, you understand. Both of them, they are talented, and both of them, like, they inspire me, you understand. They inspire me in many ways. Both of them, you understand. They are good, they are dope, you understand. So I was watching a video kaDanya, like a vlog, you understand. I think maybe a performer kwi-event kaSjava, i-10th, if I'm not mistaken, you understand. Ngilungise if niphutha guys yabo. So my performer there, and then Danya like he's doing a vlog, so I was greeting everyone, amakwela meweko na o Rafu, o Saud, o Sjava, even MT, but MT he choose like ukusuka there, you understand.
Imigodile. Yeah. Imigodile vele face. Awakhetha uzethe.
Azange afuna ukuthi bahrumtane yabo. And like it was tense even on the video. You understand. I've saw ukuthi MT like akakaxoli ngariring le air track le yadotshwa i-Black Diamond sese ambitious, you understand. Akundu ku-riding kuDanya kuMalume Victor, if I'm not mistaken, like was a song like, you understand. I put Danya i-address yakho nokuthi abaningi bathi i-sounding eyabo in yabo, something like that. So that kind of beef mangiyicheckile, which means MT akakaxoli kuyo, you understand, and akakadluli kuyo, yabo. And that's why like he end up addressing that kind of beef ukuthi like he's still there, you understand. And what I've realized ukuthi as I'm a musician, like sine ego, you understand, I'm a musician and ego nje kakhulu, and kune beef kakhulu, and like kune competition kakhulu, and that kind of a beef somehow ingenze nga realize ukuthi amajita, they need to squash that thing, you understand, because it's a negative impact, you understand. Because if these two niggas, they can make a song, it can be a hit, you understand, it can be a hit, you understand, because boy two, they are good, but in order ukuthi lunga kumele ukuthi amajita kahle kahle awabeka ama-ego esayidini bahlangane balungise writing. But ke I know most of the time if like if you to that level, you understand, angeke ilunge, yeah. But because MT ngamazi like umuntu njani, MT like is one of those guys like if into akayithanda, if into ayithanda, you understand. So from the fact ukuthi like said how MT means writing zange emphatha kahle, you understand. And then nami understand ukuthi ibeef yakhona isokava, you understand. Because if ungahlala phansi uyibheke like into encane nayo, you understand, it's a small thing, but abantu like ngeke bayibone ngaleyo ndlela leyo because unnecessary, yabo. Into engalungiseka babe grand, yabo, but only if omunye angazibona iphutha lakhe axolise nomunye abona iphutha lakhe axolise. But I don't think MT was wrong. Umuntu wrong uDanya, because uDanya uyena ba drop ingoma, you understand, abakhomanda bayikhuluma engomeni, yabo. MT na wa replya lapho efeature khona enye out nje ndayikhohle igama, go and get it, I think, yeah, go and get it, something like that, you understand. Lapho MT naye like batshela khona ukuthi hayi abafana abancane, yabo, uzowabona bazophelelaphi and all that stuff, you understand. So lapho if like it means amhlabo MT that moment, yabo, wafila ngalandlela wafila ngayo, but I feel ukuthi bangayilungisa writing, yabo. I feel ukuthi bangayilungisa writing, you understand, bakwazi ukutreat more songs, yabo. Because most of the time nokusho ngithi as a musician, mabona amanye musician ephuma egamini, maybe ephuma maybe ku-label nosala ku-label la, sometimes uzofeel ukuthi I feel like uDanya like was on that state esifeel to uye, you understand. But manje khane ebone reality ukuthi ish yazini maybe ngaflow, but into kumele ayilungise le, yabo. Hayi ukuthi maybe ayilungise ukuthi maybe just kabe phampa abahlangane, no, just text, you understand, text noma guy, let's meet and fix this thing, you understand. I know MT like angavuma ukuthi abahlangane and then bayilungisa writing, you understand, because uDanya ibona bayisusa, yabo, bayisusa, ibona bayisusa la, you understand, ibona bayisusa, yabo. So omele nje ukuthi uDanya nje ahlise nje everything avaye ayoxolisa balungise writing la, you understand, because ayikhonhle la picture ngibone la video la guys, ayikhonhle, you understand. But I'm gonna try to check it and then ngikwazi ukuthi like ndifake kule video le, yabo, nani nje ethi ngicabangani ngayo, yabo. And yabo uDanya nawe was not feeling comfortable after that situation, you understand. It was bad guys, it was bad, yabo. And I feel like abantu babonela that vlog, that's why siyibuya this thing, yabo, bambuza MT via live and then MT waya address ukuthi kahle kahle kuyenzakalani, yabo. And like truly speaking, ngeke ukuthi uyingane ufike egamini uzodelela abantu abasesegamini already ndokudala besegamini, yayibona into leyo. Ifana ukuthi like uyodelela amahropman wakho, yayibona lonto. So it's one of those things like I've realized in that situation kaDanya no-MT, and I feel ukuthi bangayilungisa only if ba-matured enough ukubona ukuthi mina ilungiswe, you understand. Because abanye abantu like they don't care about fixing ama-beef, you understand. I don't know why, but mina like I always feel like unity is power than division, you understand. But abanye abantu ngebayibona ngalo ndlela leyo. So nani ngakhomenta bafite ngicabanga ukuthi ngicabanga about the situation kaDanya no-MT ingalunga or angeke ilunge.